Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a small tutorial on how to create a small short in Canva. I've already created several projects on here, and I'm here to show you guys on how to create a small short and do probably use some cool features on here. So what I normally do is when you come to the, make sure you come to the home screen because you already done a lot of projects. It's gonna be a bunch of things sitting around like you just seen. I was working on something previously, and there was a bunch of scrap and stuff all over the screen. So what you want to do if you're interested in making a short, you can click on these icons. You can just want a video. You must specify what you're interested in doing because that's going to be the aspect ratio of your video screen. So clicking on the short, it's going to be a 16 by 9 little short screen, a little skinny um, screen. You want portrait and all these things. You're going to indicate that. You're going to want a YouTube video. You want a whole video, then just click on one of these features. Click on the video, and the feature's going to come up. The screen going to be size that you're looking for. But what I'm going to do is type in YouTube Shorts, and what you're going to see is some things that you've already created. I've already created those right there. You're going to have a lot of uh, shorts that you can go ahead and customize that's free of charge, and all of them are free to customize them. And if it isn't, they're going to let you know. So right now I'm in. I had the free version, but I upgraded it to Pro. Just a free trial, and if I don't like it, I'm going to probably cancel the subscription. However, it's so many things you can do in Canva. I recommend if you got it, keep it because it's going to help you put up good content and post good content on YouTube, and hopefully, I wish you the best of luck of being monetized. Maybe you can make some cool bucks, or maybe you can just go ahead and put out some good content for viewers. So here's a bunch of quizzes, there's a bunch of little templates you can use that's already done. All you have to do is customize them. I'm going to go ahead and I already said short, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this right here. And then as you can see, pink, blue, yellow festival comic, style quiz, YouTuber short. I'm going to click on customize. It's going to pull it into a little workstation or work area where you're going to create or edit or tweak the already made template. So as you can see, here's the short already done. On the bottom here, you have the actual quizzes connected to each other. It should already have your transitions. Transitions is what it does in between the next scene or the next, video or however, next question or quiz. Right now, we're going to play. Now, these don't have sound, so if you want to add sound or text or anything like that, you can go right here. You can add heading. You can add a subheading. You want different styles and all that stuff. You want your own brand. If you have a brand of your own, or you have a company or someone, or you have a sister or family relative that have a logo or something, as long as it's uploaded, make sure you have these things um, entered into a file and name the file so you know where to get it from once you upload and download from Canva Pro. If you want to, here's a project. You want to add things from projects you've worked on. You go and click on projects. All your options are right here to the left. Elements, text, your own brand. You can upload anything from here that's on your hard drive, and a lot of little tools. You can paint. You can customize something. A lot of people use these things when they're doing. If you see a football, someone who like posting their favorite sports team game, and they're moving the mouse and showing how these guys are going to blitz and blah blah blah. This is some of the ways they do it, and I'm not saying on here, but you can use these things just to give you an example on what to do with it. It's so cool right now to come on here because you can do so much in Canva. Canva is like, whoa, if you can't make a cool video of good quality in here, something's wrong. So some people come in and think it's too complicated and want to go somewhere else. So this is just a short tutorial on how to use OBS Studio in Canva Pro together. So right now I'm using OBS Studio because I'm showing you how to do these things, and I'm moving my mouse and I'm not leaving you. Some people have always intend to move their mouse too fast, and you trying to follow them and then move. With me, I take my time and move it because I know someone's watching me and they're trying to follow along with me, and I don't want to lose them. I want them to learn from it. If you don't get nothing out of these videos, there's no need for you to like and subscribe. So if you're interested in giving me a like, a thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel so you get notified for any type of future post, that'll be great. So right here is 20 seconds because each time you click or bring something in your project, it's gonna count the amount of seconds total up here. So a lot of times, how often have you went to go watch a video on YouTube and you find a cool video that's HD crystal clear, and then when you go click on it, the volume is low. Well, what I always do is after I'm done creating something, I'll go here and I click on it. I make sure everything's aligned right. Everything is right in place. I didn't add no sound here, but you can add sound, anything to here. There's no need to. And for copyright purposes, and some of these, some of the audio is free to use, and some of them will tell you that you have to have copyright rights. So what I'm gonna do, if you want to upload this, all you have to do is click on share. It's a video, so I recommend you, if you're gonna click on download. You want to click on MP4 format. There's a lot of PNG, the abbreviation for PNG and PNG. These are for like photos, or if you want to do a thumbnail, it's going to always do it in JPG and PNG. Or if you want a video file, always use MP4. Or because if you take it to these sites, they're not going to upload nothing that's not an MP4, MP3 format. It's going to reject it. So however, you want PDF files, and you got standard, you got print. You can also print on here. So if I was trying to, which I may just download it anyway. Go ahead and download. Because I want to keep this if I can get the audio to work right. So I'm going to go ahead and click download. Right now you'll see it's downloading. It's going to ask me to create public view link. No, I don't need none of that. So right now it's downloaded. So what I always do, I'll wait right here because once it could say complete in a second, and then if you don't type in or name that file, it's going to go to your computer. If you don't already have a folder that you created for your files to go in. So for example, I've created folders in mine. Says Canva videos, or Canva workshop, or OBS. So it'll pop up. If you don't do that in time, it'll disappear, and you're gonna have all these numbers in there trying to figure out which one it was. So right now, this is I'm gonna name it Canva quiz. Canva quiz for today. And I'm going to put something in here that's going to let me know that this is the video. And I'll put like a hashtag or something if they let me. I don't think they're going to let me do that. So leave the hashtag out. Just put Canva quiz, and I'll put 228. That's just a clue on where to find it. Okay, so I got that. As you can see, it says complete. Um, Also, if you was trying to share these with a friend or add people or a group or a team to these, you can do that here. As you can see, it says add people, groups, or team here. Um, People with access. If you want certain people to only have certain people to access this video or something, you want it to be private, you're going to indicate that here. I'm not going to click on it because I'm just doing a sample video because I have my OBS on right now and I'm testing the volume of it. So bear with me here, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, what this is a tutorial for using OBS record screen. I'm recording the screen right now and I'm using OBS. Someone posted a video and I watched. I learned a few little tricks. Took advantage of the tips and the hints they've given me to be able to use this record screen, and it is awesome. So once again, if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and for real, most of all, enjoy the rest of your day.